Welcome back to the ArborScope demonstration channel. This is a video on how to complete work for a tree within your ArborScope inventory. We're going to use the Jump To button at the top of your screen, and we're going to navigate to tree 166. We're going to select the Go. ArborScope's going to open a new tab for the tree details page within number 166. We can scroll down to our outstanding recommendations, and you can see here that in October 5th, 2010, it was recommended for pruning. Well, just recently it was completed. So what we're going to do is come up here to our edit pencil, click on the gray pencil, and we're going to come in here to where it says date completed. We're going to click in the box, and we're going to choose today, and then we can put who it was completed by. Come down here and click on the submit button. And now you're going to notice that the recommendations tab, which was here under tree information, is now a work history tab. And you can see that the work history of pruning was completed on March 19th of 2020. Completing work history within the tree details page works the same way for tree removal, tree pruning, root collar excavation, soil care, and plant health care applications. Well, that was a quick video on how to complete work on an individual tree within your ArborScope inventory.